Hello students, we are reading the chapter Atoms and Molecule, and in previous video we have discussed some things about atoms and molecules. Today we will discuss about the Dalton atomic theory. All the matter is made up of very small particles. We see different types of things which are considered as matter, and we know about the matter. All matter is made up of very small particles. Second, atoms cannot be divided, that means indivisible. Third, atoms can neither be created or nor destroyed. We have read law of conservation of mass, and law of conservation of mass, we know that the mass of the reactant equal to the mass of the product in any chemical reaction. That means atoms can neither be created nor destroyed. Atoms of a given element are identical in mass and chemical property. If we take an example, if we are talking about hydrogen or any other element, if they show chemical property and we react hydrogen with oxygen, then all hydrogen react with oxygen and water will form. That means identical chemical property. Atoms combine in the ratio of a small whole number to form compounds. All compounds in which we see that they bear simple ratio. Last, the relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a compound. Now we are talking about what are the drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory. Some demerits were found. One of the major drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory is that it will be considered as atoms are not divisible, but we know now that atoms can be divided into smaller particles, that will be electron, proton and neutron. This is the main drawbacks of Dalton atomic theory. Now we see about the atoms. Atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. Very smallest particle. They also take part in a chemical reaction because many atoms are reactive in nature. Some atoms which are in exception, which are found in free state, noble gas. Okay, we see the figure. Just as bricks are the building block of all the houses, atoms are building block of all matters. If we are talking about matter, atoms are building block. If we are talking about house, then bricks will be the building block, because one brick, two brick, three brick, after a big house is formed. Atoms are very small in size. The size of the atom is indicated by its radius, because atom is spherical in shape and size is measured according to the radius. Atomic radius is measured in nanometer. We write in a short form nm, small n, small m. Here we see some particles. Atoms of hydrogen 10 to the power minus 10 meter, molecule of water 10 to the power minus 9 meter, molecules of hemoglobin 10 to the power minus 8 meter, grain of sand 10 to the power minus 4, ant 10 to the power minus 3, apple 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, we observe that the atomic radius of hydrogen is very small. Okay, now we find that atoms are so small that we cannot see them under the most power optical microscope. This is the main thing. But today we see the atoms by the scanning tunneling microscope. Okay, now we need to symbolize the atoms. Daltons symbolize some elements. On that time we see symbols proposed by Dalton: hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, iron, copper, lead, silver, gold, platina, mercury. All symbols are different. But we find that Dalton symbols for element were difficult to draw and inconvenient to each. So Dalton symbols are only of historical importance. They are not used at all. The credit goes to J.J. Berzelius, who belonged to Sweden, who proposed that the first letter another letter. And this is a modern symbol of the element. We see the figure and we find that hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. If we symbolize hydrogen only H, helium He, lithium Li, we find that first letter and then second letter. Sodium Na. Some elements are symbolized by the Latin name, because in case we find that the Latin name of sodium is natrium, and natrium, that means Na. Potassium, kalium. Okay, silver, the Latin name of silver is argentum, that's why it is denoted, it is symbolized by Ag. Okay, thank you. We will read about atomic mass unit and how do atom exist in the next video. Thank you.